Welcome to Naveed Speaks. Today we will talk about polygamy, the practice of having more than one spouse at the same time is called polygamy. When a man is married to multiple wives at the same time, sociologists call this polygyny. When a woman is married to more than one husband is called polyandry. Although polyandry is much less prevalent and is now illegal in almost every country in the world. Group marriage is also banned in almost every country in the world and practiced nowhere. In Islam, a Muslim man can have more than one wife at the same time. A Muslim man can keep maximum of 4 women at the same time in his nikah. But polyandry is strictly prohibited in Islam. A Muslim woman can only have one husband at a time, but in case of divorce or husband's death, they can remarry. But Islam strictly emphasizes on the justice and equity among the wives of a man. In modern day, polygamy is non-existing in Rabbinic Judaism. Some Yemeni and Persian Jews discontinued polygamy more recently after they migrated to the countries where it was banned or illegal, such as Israel and America. Although the Old Testament described numerous examples of polygamy among Christians, most Christian groups have historically rejected the practice of polygamy and have upheld monogamy alone as normative. In Buddhism, marriage is purely secular affair and religion has not put any sanctions on marriage. Some Veds in Hinduism allow polygyny but with some conditions like the permission from the first wife. So guys, that is all from today's video. Like if you like and subscribe if you love it.